Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. We're here for unboxing video. Welcome to my channel. So I have two things that I need to open. It's from Timo and Chelbella Beauty and Passion. Chelbella and Beauty and Passion in Facebook. You can go to her Facebook page and you will enjoy all the variety of selections. So here we go. Unahin natin tong Timo kasi ito lang siya. Only one. Hindi ko alam kung ano itong laman nito. Ito yung panlagay ko dun sa aking garden. Panlagay ko to dun sa garden sa may dito para hindi masyadong pan-cover. Oh, I got the Roleta, guys. Manual Roleta. Where's this? Bakit matandaan ko na ito? Yung para sa tripod siya. Ito yung stand, tapos ito yung tripod, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna open Chelbella box. Binabalik ko kasi para hindi sa bugtag. I did not even clean up this yet. So there's one part and this is the second part. Right. Malaki itong box, guys. So we're gonna open this fragile. Nakalagay fragile. Handle with care. So I don't know which part is the top. Just gonna open it. And belated happy birthday to Miss Rochelle JRS. Birthday niya po, guys. Pakibati na lang. Tapos na, pero batiin niya pa rin. See, ipopost ko na lang dyan yung link niya, Facebook niya, tsaka yung kanyang itong mga product. Itong mga product, wala itong picture kasi doon ko ito binili sa kanya, no? This one, no pictures, just show and tell. Para tayo nagre-report, show and tell. Okay, may in-order ako sa kanyang malaking bag. We'll see how big it is. Sabi ko nga, i-send na lang yung bag eh. This, oh my god, this is the bag, guys. Oh my god, it's big. It's a big bag. Okay. And it's, ang ganda, lambot ng rubber yung ano. Sana hindi siya madaling masira. And inside the bag, my knickknacks. I got my sinigang mix. Sinigang mix. I'm gonna try this. Ano ka naman si sausawan. O, diba? Okay. Magic syrup. You know. Okay. My favorite. Thank you. Hopia. Ikan. Buko pandan. Hopia kondo. And Hopia kombi. This is the purple ubi langka. I don't think I'm gonna share. I'll think. Oh, by the way, guys, this duster dress is from JRS Closet. I have blue, black, blue, and black. Ibibigay ko sana yun. I forgot. So, nasuot ko na. Pero lang ako next time. I have Lomé. I have the coffee. Oh. Yung nuts. Ay, ano to yung dilis. Is this the dilis? Yeah, dilis with ano, peanut. Wow. Anything else? House of Little Bunny. Wow. There's lip balm. Lip balm. Cute naman yun ito. Ay, yung bag. Ito yung bag. Kitty bag. Ang cute niya. So cute. Mayroon siyang handle. Uy. Tsaka mayroon siyang keychain. Cute naman na ito. Ang cute! Ito yung oh, ganun pala. Wow. I like this. So cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, diba? Sana nilagay niya ng $20. Binili mo na nga, nilagay pang $20. Ah. Wala tatanggal. Ano to? Wala na siguro to. Parang ganyan lang. Or this included. What? Order some t-shirt. This size large. Ganda. Ganda yung tela niya, guys. The fabric is very nice. Hindi ko alam kung anong size ko. 1, 2, 3. Chicago Bulls. I like it. I might wear it. I don't know what size. Probably this size. I think this is medium or large. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, may short siya. Oh. Okay. Oh, the sexy one. Ano siya, parang tank tops, tapos ito ilalagay mo ganun. Ganda niya, ha? Sabi ko baka mahulog eh. Oh, ganda. Maganda yung tela. Ito yung pang baby. Ang dami pa itong order. Ito yung pang baby. Cute. Nalala ko tuloy nung bata pa ako, yung mga damit may mga ganun-ganun dito. Tapos rapples, tapos may garter dito. Sa dibdib. Tatlo pa pala ito. I got aluminium. So, Minions. I like it. XL ba to? Parang ang laki. Minions. Love it. Matapos ko ba to? The fabric is really nice.